Hey everyone, it's Stiles. I hope you're having an amazing day so far, wherever you are. So I wanted to connect with you guys about a simple chat and practice. So chatting a little bit about a nice topic of standing up for yourself, really building stability and strength from a sustainable place, which I think is absolutely important and necessary in your life to continue to work toward, achieve your goals, move past your goals, and feel good in this whole process. So I just started thinking about this in a fresh way. I was interviewed on a podcast. When it comes out, I'll share with you guys the link. And it was from somebody who had been in the yoga scene for quite a long time and had followed me from afar virtually and was coming to me with these questions really almost from a place, he was honest and said, this is from a place of wanting to heal his own perceptions about me. And I thought, I've been doing this for a long time. There was some controversy in the beginning about a lot of the things that I was sharing, things that are completely normal now, like welcoming people in the class, offering an alternative between the guru-student relationship to guides and people, not teaching Sanskrit poses and not using the language of Sanskrit in class. And for me, that's always been a practicality of frame by frame leading and guiding people into the moment right now. So it's become a real obvious thing and in a way that I learned yoga actually. So having this conversation with this yoga teacher guy brought up, in a way that I thought was sort of dealt with a long time ago from, different people challenging me on these things that are, of course, now normal, on standing up for myself in a way that is sustainable and easygoing and just simply offering what I've been doing the entire time. So one thing that I thought was completely interesting and just a topic that had me going was this idea of being in the right place at the right time. So he kept bringing this up. Oh, you started a YouTube channel at the right time. You started working with brands at the right time, or a studio at the right time, or DVDs at the right time. And there's this idea of feeling left out if you don't feel like you've gotten picked for something. And this is a whole kind of life view. I think you can feel left out if you don't get picked, or feel picked if you do get picked, or really, I think what I've been feeling and doing and creating all along is creating the life that you would like to see for yourself and the people around you, and sharing the messages that you're interested in sharing, that you're actually really interested in. So for me, what I was sharing with this guy was, I still wake up every day, taking care of Daisy and hanging out with Mike, all these things. But the thing that's driving me is, why isn't everybody doing yoga? Still, this is 2018. Why still isn't everybody in the whole world just doing yoga? And what can I do specifically with my gifts, with my talents, with my voice to help that? And, this guy asked me, and then it all blew up for you and all these people started endorsing you and all these things. I said, well, this is, life according to Google or life according to the internet. And for me, I feel sustained by this real intuition and this intention of wanting to help people feel better in their bodies and life, and knowing there's a huge opportunity for that. Yoga is still taught in this way of do a physical posture from the outside in, and then twerk your body as extreme as possible into this posture, and then hold it, even though you're incredibly uncomfortable, to burn through that uncomfortableness, and then somehow trick yourself into believing that that's a good idea and that's healthy. So people are practicing that all around the world in some form or another. And now there's a lot of people practicing more ease, more softness, bringing these ideas that yoga is something that's inside, that you can be comfortable with. And when you're comfortable, you're free to expand from there. You're comfortable enough to gain strength, to gain the right mobility for your body and all these things. So it really just got me thinking about this idea of standing up for yourself in a way where you feel comfortable and easy and stable. So I thought we could have a bit of a practice about that as well. So in the practice, we'll do poses and do movements that build strength and build this idea of physical and mental strength as well. It all kind of goes together in more of an internal way. And coming at this with a real soft approach so it's sustainable and easy as well. So let me know what you guys think about that whole thing, because that's a lot. Or not, or just enjoy the practice. Okay, here we go. We'll start sitting here, nice and easy. So again, main thing is to get comfortable, soften in your body a bit. Maybe a little sway side to side or round and round. And take a big inhale through your nose. Easy exhale. Again, big inhale to lift. Easy exhale. One more time, big inhale. Easy exhale. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. All right, we'll come onto all fours here on your hands and knees. Take your time. Go easy on your joints and on the rest of you. So we don't want to abuse ourselves when you're moving here. So try to find a way to move in a way like you really like yourself here. So no need for any abuse or to burn through anything that doesn't feel so useful here. All right, spreading your fingers a bit there on the ground like you're digging into some wet sand. Easy rolling around here a bit in your spine just to open up a bit. And tuck your toes, take a big inhale to lift your hips up and back toward your down dog. Settling in here. So put a little softness in your knees, little bend there, little bend in your elbows. Gentle sway of your hips. And tuck your chin, roll out toward your plank pose, nice wave. And we'll stay here for a little while. So again, you can stay really rigid and stiff and just kind of hold on for dear life, or you can soften just a little bit. Maybe an easy sway side to side or round and round. Letting your breath roll through you. And lift your hips up and back toward your down dog. And again, tuck your chin, roll out toward your plank pose. Nice wave here. Gentle sway, a little rock side to side. And again, lift your hips up and back toward that down dog. And take an easy stroll up to the top of your space there. Crawl your feet in your hands as you go. And folding up and over your legs. We'll round up to stand here nice and slow and easy. Take your time. Take a big inhale to lift up. And easy roll up and over your legs. Lean toward your right side, slide your left leg way back behind you for a nice low lunge. So stability and strength really starts with a nice stable base. So step your feet a little bit apart here. We're going to come up to stand in a moment. You don't want to fall over because you're stepping on top of yourself there. All right, push down through your legs, roll your body up through your middle here. It's good to be over your center. Big inhale to lift everything up. And easy exhale, settle here. Again, big inhale to stretch. And easy, soften in the middle. One more time here, big inhale to stretch. And bring your palms together, thumbs come in toward your heartbeat. Take a big inhale to lift, an easy twist here. So your call, you can hook your elbow outside that thigh, you can open up the arms for a little more support, bringing your fingertips down toward the ground, up to you. Just a few big breaths here. So again, even though we're staying pretty still in this position, let your breath lift and soften. So inhales lift you up a bit. And the exhale softens you. Little bend here, a few big breaths. And if your arms aren't already open here, bring your left fingertips down toward the ground, open everything up, nice stretch. And bring both fingertips down toward the ground, lift your hips up, drop your torso over your legs, nice single leg forward bend. And sink through your hips a little bit more here, spin your back heel down, push down through your legs, roll your body up through your middle. Big inhale to stretch up. And easy, settle in toward your warrior one. Just a little bend in the knees, gentle roll of your hips and belly there. And we'll settle here for a few breaths. So that same idea, leaving your body alone. Big inhale to lift you up a bit. And easy settle here. And we'll simply stay for a while. And take a big inhale to lift. And open up toward your warrior two here. So back toes coming in a little bit there. A little bend in that back knee. Arms settle out towards your sides. Sink through your hips, nice and easy here. And just once, take a big inhale, lift everything up. And easy settle in toward this here. And we'll stay here for just a few big breaths. Soften everything here. Big inhale, lifts everything up. And easy, sink right back into it. Tip it all the way back here, nice reverse. And wave up and over, bring that left hand down toward the ground. Lean into it, slide your front leg back around here into your plank pose. Holding your nice plank for a few breaths. And this time, come all the way down toward the ground. And we'll press right up and back toward your down dog. Softening in here. And take another easy crawl up toward the top of your space here. So walking your feet and then your hands as you go. Crawl your hands back toward your feet. Rolling everything all the way up towards standing. Take a big inhale to lift up. And easy all the way up and over your legs. Lean toward your left, slide that right leg way back behind you, low lunge. Again, step your feet a little bit apart here, nice stable base. Roll your body up through your middle. Big inhale to fill up. And easy settle here. Big inhale to stretch. And easy soften. One more time, big inhale to stretch. And bring your palms together, thumbs come in toward your heartbeat. Big inhale to lift. And easy twist here, nice and soft. And you can always open up the arms there for a little more support. Make sure you're comfortable here. We'll hang for a few big breaths. And if you're not already, open up your arms. Right fingertips find the ground, left arm floats up, gentle stretch. And bringing both fingertips down toward the ground, lift your hips up, drop your torso over your legs. Nice single leg forward bend. Easy sway. Sink through your hips here, spin your back heel down toward the ground. Roll your body up through your middle, big inhale to lift up. And easy sink in toward this warrior one. Gentle roll of your hips here. And a few breaths to leave yourself alone. Nice and soft. Take a big inhale to stretch up. And we'll open up toward that warrior two. Again, back toes angling a little bit here. Front toes still facing toward your front. Sink your hips nice and low in your middle. Little bend in that back knee. Take a big inhale, stretch everything all the way up. And easy soften toward that warrior two. And we'll hang here for a little while. Tip it all the way back here, big reverse. wave up and over here, lean toward this right hand, slide your front leg back around here and toward your plank pose. And again, settling here for a few breaths. And when you're ready, come on down toward the ground. And we'll press right up and back toward that down dog. Softening here. And take one more crawl right back up toward the top of your space here. Crawl on your feet and your hands as you go. Holding up and over your legs. Rounding everything all the way up towards standing. Take a big inhale to stretch up. And easy settle everything here. Just for a moment, close your eyes. Let everything settle. And take a big inhale through your nose. Long exhale. Twice more, big inhale. Long exhale. Once more, big inhale. Long exhale. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. And I hope you feel strong and stable, coming from a nice, soft, sustainable place, because what you have inside is amazing, and what we do can help us get access to that much more better in a much more consistent way. So I hope you keep practicing and stay easy, and I'll see you soon.